This is Morten from English. We are still reporting from SuperCor here in Orlando, and I have the pleasure of talking to Craig from Baldwin. Craig, good to see you.
Hey Morten, nice to see you.
And before we started, we had to discuss a little bit about accents. So what is your real accent?
My real accent is English.
Okay.
This is my best American accent.
Okay, so you live in America now, or?
Yeah, I've been in the States for 20 years.
Okay.
So,
how big a change was it cultural-wise when you go from the UK to America? I mean, you speak almost the same language, but still.
We speak mostly the same language. There's a few funny words we have to say.
The C and the Zs, for example, right?
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
So we have to make some adjustments. No, it's great being in the States. Yeah, the family's been here 20 years now. My youngest daughter's just gone to school, so great to be here.
Congratulations on that. But we are, of course, here because Baldwin is an extremely well-known name in the industry, and you have also a lot of different companies under your hat, basically, right? But you're focusing a little bit here on, let's say, the FlexoCleanBrush and also the FlexoDry Aura, and we're going to talk a little bit about some of the equipment. But before we do that, why are you here at SuperCor?
So SuperCor is just a great chance for us to really promote the Baldwin brand. We're not as well known in the corrugated market here as we are perhaps on the European side, on the other side of the water. But over the last 2 or 3 years, we've really got engaged through SuperCor, TAPI, AICC to get the Baldwin brand known out there. You know, the Baldwin business has been around for a long time, very well known, particularly of course on the plate cleaning and drying side of the business. And the opportunity to bring that expertise to the corrugated market is just a huge opportunity, not just for us, but for our customers as well.
I guess that with all kind of equipment, it's always about like, okay, you have competition in the market, and then it's about bringing the best value proposition to your customers. So what is the KPIs? Why should people buy from Baldwin?
Yeah, the great thing about the FlexoCleanerBrush is that it really helps drive productivity, the efficiency of the press. You can increase the uptime, you can get more throughput on the press. Because what we're doing here is we're eliminating the need for manual cleaning process. So today you've got a 6-unit printing process, and you're having to clean those plates manually. That takes a lot of time. Labor resources are scarce. One of the biggest challenges we're seeing from our customers today is the inability to get labor. So here you can fully clean the plates and dry them in less than 4 minutes. So you don't even have to hang them to dry. It's a one-stop shop. And then it would remove hickeys on the fly, so you don't have to stop the press running. It will remove the hickeys in less than 2 seconds, fully clean the plates in less than 4 minutes, and away you go.
So when you visit customers, you talk about the manual processes versus the automated. Is the most common thing in the American flexo industry that you have like manual processes for cleaning plates?
Absolutely, and there's the limited solutions on the market. We're definitely getting great feedback that ours is the best on the market. I think particularly on the drying side, great to see that we can fully dry the plates as well as clean. Yeah. And because of the design of our brush, it can get to the deepest level of screen and really clean the plates. So you're not having to do any secondary process to get to the cleaning.
And when I see the design of it, it looks like something that you mount on your press. Is that correct? Or
absolutely, yeah. You mount it on the press, and then it's we've actually got a model here, so you can see how it's designed.
Okay, we're going to talk about that a little bit later with your colleague. But just to understand, so basically, I mean, from a layman's perspective, it seems like an obvious investment for a flexo printer because, as you say, difficulties getting labor, but you save a lot of time by having that process automated. When you talk to customers, what are let's say, the obstacles about investing? Is it the acquisition cost, or is it just what are you used to do? Or?
Yeah, I think the funny thing is, I mean, if you really understand your business and you look and understand the cost of your process, or if you look at the return on investment of this, it's just crazy.
I was just about to say
unbelievable.
So, yeah. Because I mean, because labor cost is expensive, right? So just the fact that you don't need the labor to do that, it should be a no-brainer, right?
Exactly, and there's additional costs as well that you're reducing with this. There's no consumables, very little maintenance. It's very easy to maintain, very simple process. But the investment, the payback is unbelievably fast. So I would urge any customer to come and talk to us about it. We can walk through that process and help them understand how quickly they're getting payback on their money. But the bottom line is, it enables you to have more uptime, you can get more throughput on the press and be selling more products to your customers.
So you make even more products on your existing presses as well?
Exactly.
Is this
truckloads more capacity.
Really? Okay. Is this like a new thing for Baldwin, or has it been in the market for some time? Or
it's been in the market for a few years with us, and it's existing technology that we've been doing for many years now, so it's proven technology.
Okay, so when you go to market, it must be an easy sell, right?
We'd like to think so, yeah. Nothing's ever that easy, but no, a lot of really good momentum in the market with some key customers and traction as we get the brand name out there on the US side of the water.
Fantastic. And how has, have there been interest from the market here at SuperCorr? Or?
Yeah, we've had, the show's just been on
I saw that you were sitting in,
yeah, it's been really busy so far. We're excited. We've got some good meetings lined up through the course of the next few days, and just really pleased to be here.
So I was lucky that I got the spot with you, right?
You did. You timed it just right. Thank
you very much.
Always good to see you.
Good to see you too.